Hi everyone. Today, let's learn how to answer TOEFL Speaking Task 3. As many of you might already know, Task 3 focuses on moving ideas from general to specific. The reading passage will typically present the topic in broad and abstract terms. The lecture, on the other hand, will delve deeper with more concrete and specific examples, often providing an extended illustration or application of the concept introduced in the reading. Taking notes in an organized way is key to scoring high on this task. Let me show you how to do this using an example. This is the reading passage. All Task 3 reading passages contain several essential ideas you need to identify for a complete response. While reading, actively try to identify 3 key ideas. These are the 3 main points the passage hinges on. Population changes can occur due to 2 main factors, biotic and abiotic. Biotic factors refer to living things that influence population growth or decline, such as predators, prey, and competition for resources. Abiotic factors are non-living elements that affect populations, like temperature, climate, and access to food and water. Based on this information, we can infer that the lecture will likely discuss 2 examples of population change. One example will be driven by a biotic factor, such as an increase in predators or a decrease in available food. The other example will be about an abiotic factor, such as a change in weather patterns or a natural disaster. When you listen to the lecture, pay attention to which example falls into each category.
Now listen to part of a lecture on this topic in a biology class.
Imagine there's a group of mice living in a large field, and owls living nearby. Now, owls eat mice, so the number of mice there are at any given time depends upon the number of owls in the area. Because the more owls there are, the more mice get eaten, right? Now, imagine one year there are more owls than usual. Since there are more owls in the area to eat the mice, what do you think will happen to the number of mice? As you can imagine, the number would drop. There'd be fewer mice. As far as the other factor, we can use rabbits to help understand this one. Imagine a population of rabbits living in an area. These rabbits usually start having their young at the end of winter, after the cold winter weather is gone, and they keep reproducing until the following winter, when they will stop again while the cold winter weather lasts. But let's say this year the winter season is very short, and, it starts getting warm much earlier than usual. Since winter this year is so short, the rabbits can start reproducing much earlier. That means the rabbits in that area will have at least 1 extra reproductive cycle. So, of course, 1 extra litter of baby rabbits. So the number of rabbits in that area would increase a lot.
This is a sample response. Population changes can occur due to 2 main factors, biotic and abiotic. Biotic factors refer to living things that influence population growth or decline, such as predators, and competition for resources. A biotic factor can be illustrated by the relationship between owls and mice, where owls prey on mice. So, the more owls, the fewer mice, and vice versa. So if there are more owls for some reason in one year, we can expect that the owls will consume more mice, resulting in a smaller mice population. On the other hand, abiotic factors refer to non-living elements that affect populations, like temperature and access to food and water. An abiotic factor can be explained by the relationship between rabbits and weather. Rabbits breed throughout the year except for winter. A long winter translates to a shorter breeding season, which in turn leads to fewer rabbits. Therefore, if the winter is shorter than usual this year, we can expect an increased rabbit population due to more breeding cycles.